Here's the issue with so many cooking courses. Lack of time is a real problem in today's world, and the traditional way of teaching cooking just isn't keeping pace. It's an accepted norm that the way to teach someone to cook is to stand in front of them, demonstrate the recipe, give them a recipe to follow, and leave it at that. Traditional cookery schools and courses that you spend valuable time and money driving to or attend online teach with demonstrations and recipes, and at the end of it, you'll fall off the course with a set of recipes and hopefully more skill. Traditional programmes like these go into depth on a particular topic like baking, or are more general and on a theme like Indian food. This is all great and right, but in today's world we're all extremely busy. We're often stressed, and only learning a set of recipes is not good enough. We've so many demands on our time. We've got family, work, pets to care for, jogging, cycling, hobbies. If we're not careful, a cookery course goes onto the to-do list and remains undone. A more modern and up-to-date approach to teaching cookery bears in mind the fact that everybody is really busy. The correct approach should borrow ideas from professional kitchens and be integrated, taking into account food planning and ingredient management, kitchen organisation so things are to hand, and properly stocked fridge, freezer and cupboards. Now this traditional problem, this gap in the industry, led me to create the 30-day vegan home cook course, a course crammed full like our bellies at Christmas of tried and trusted 30-minute meals. Once learnt, these 30-minute meals will take 30 minutes or less of hands-on time. It frees you up to enjoy your precious hobbies and pastimes, while always knowing you're eating good quality, nourishing whole food. The 30-day vegan home cook course, with the emphasis firmly on homemade whole food, stops that constant ticking and is the first vegan cookery course ever to teach kitchen organisation and food planning. Once your kitchen is organised, you'll stock your fridge, freezer and cupboards with the ingredients I consider to be vital if you're routinely making nourishing home-cooked whole food. There's no point starting this course unless you're set up to succeed, so you'll download 2 student workbooks and work your way through very easy tasks. You'll be firmly on the front foot because you're so organised, and cooking can finally begin. You'll have help all the way from the private Facebook community and me. When you've completed the 30-day vegan home cook course, you can say goodbye to regular visits to the supermarket, and you could say goodbye to daily cooking. Say a warm hello to a calm, ordered environment where you've got what you need to hand, and you can easily create a variety of nourishing home-cooked whole food that tastes amazing, using a very simple kitchen setup that you've probably already got, and sometimes no kitchen at all. This programme is totally affordable. What I mean by affordable is that this course costs about the same or less than one night out with friends. There are over 130 step-by-step immersive video trainings, which is over 40 hours of teaching, and the advert-free recipe collection is online, so you can download recipes and important additional notes. You might be wondering how you'll get through all this content. Well, that's fine, because you'll get lifetime access to the whole course and lifetime access to all of the bonus content that's added in the future, so you can watch, rewatch and pace yourself as much as you like. All this quality content is streamlined into teaching modules that you can work through in your own time on any device, wherever you live. Each module focuses on a particular aspect of cookery, like flavour or texture, and you learn each recipe to build particular skills and knowledge. In the kitchen, it's best to keep neat and tidy and learn one thing at once. So that's what we do. There's no stress, there's no ruining ingredients, you're just cooking along with me in real time. And of course, there's always a great plate of food at the end of the tutorial. Of that I am sure. You can cook these dishes and you're going to love them. Practice really does make perfect, so hands-on cooking with me is vital. The tutorials last as long as it takes to finish that step, so that you gain direct experience of the most important kitchen skill, timings. The cooking tutorials are filmed from different angles, so you're taken onto the chopping board and into the pan, and you can really see and learn in detail. I've made sure this course is fun and easy for you, because I know from experience that it's far easier to learn and absorb new information if you're smiling and happy. At no point will you feel on your own. As one student said, what I loved most was simply following the cooking lesson with Julia. Her words, not mine. My ultimate objective is to stop this, the horror show of animal exploitation, which is inherent in industrialised farming. The climate is damaged in many ways, and meat production is a central problem. My way to put my shoulder to the plough to help it stop is to teach you, the person watching this, to cook amazing vegan food, so that you go out into your life for life and influence others. Okay, to get straight to it, the animals need us. They need us to create and make amazing vegan food and go out into the world and prove that we don't need to use them to eat well. So right now you have a choice. You can continue on your own, you can download recipes from the internet, You can watch cookery demonstrations on YouTube, you can read your own books, you can go through all the adverts on the food blogs, but you probably won't learn professional kitchen time management skills. Or you can get on the 30-day vegan home cook course adventure bus. My customers love my food and you will too. Along with the amazing food, you'll be able to answer the question we all ask ourselves every day, which is what are we going to have for our tea? You'll have to skip going out with your friends just that one time and use the money instead to enrol on the 30-day vegan home cook course. You can enrol on the link below, but meantime take good care, eat well and keep cooking. I should just say that this course has a 7-day money-back guarantee, but you won't need it. You'll love this course, you'll learn loads and you'll have a great time. I hope you enrol.
Okay.
There's so much to gain from this course, and
Right.
the knowledge and skills and camaraderie is life-changing.
Don't let me near that, Chris. That is going away.